Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Medario Cat Litter Box. One-way design, front in and top out, the self-closing front entryway leaves odor and dirt inside. The top sand pedal prevents the cat's litter from being sprayed everywhere. The enclosed structure secures pet cat's privacy. The pull-out drawer design litter tray and included litter scooper make cleansing of litter a lot easier. Easy for cleaning the feline clutter with minimal mess. Mat is easy to clean with a non-slip back, also suitable to place under feeding bowls to catch spill. The retractable layout of the cat litter box is hassle-free for storage space, set up as well as take apart. Space saving as well as mobility features enable you to utilize our product anytime or any place your pet cats need it. Ideal choice for traveling. Cat commode with huge internal space, which is effortless for cats to go into and also exit and turn around. The space decreases the odor emission in your home and keeps the air fresh. The cat litter box with a lid is made of stain-resistant plastic. It can be flexibly folded and easy to clean, providing a neat living environment for your cat. The litter mat is made of safe, high-quality PVC material that is BPA-free and phthalate-free. Number 2 in this best cat litter box for odor control list is Popur X5 Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Popur X5 is the latest addition, and probably the most disruptive innovation in the electronic litter box category. Featuring an open litter tray and an independent trash can, the Popur X5 is a genetically better design. Traps 99% odor sensible to you and your cats by sealing cat waste in between the two layers of the trash bags. Gives multi-cat family up to a week-long hands-free experience thanks to the vertically shaped trash bin that is engineered with a 30-day storage capacity for an average cat. Indulges your kitties with a ventilated open-top design and a sizable cuboid litter bed that is 24-inch wide by diagonal. Uses as much as 33 pounds of any clumping cat litter to minimize your upkeep efforts or maintenance burden. 2 average-sized cats could all sit in kitty litter boxes at the same time and have a synchronized poop fest in a jumbo litter box. Removable and clear top cover. High back and lid reduces spillover. Your cats won't feel closed in or like they could be blindly ambushed with litter box for cats. No exploding cat. Safe for cats to move around in cat litter boxes and for you to scoop or clean litter by having the color strip that fits over the opening. Our third choice is CATLINK Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Connected via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the automatic cat litter box can be controlled through the CATLINK app. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can remotely clean the litter box at home, providing a consistently clean toilet environment for your cat. The package includes a set of odor eliminator and activator, which can be installed on the side of the automatic cat litter box to decompose the odor in the litter, effectively eliminating unpleasant smells. Automatic, scheduled, manual, and emptying modes are available, allowing you to choose the most suitable cleaning mode. Additionally, the emptying board can be lowered to enter the emptying mode, making the cleaning process even more convenient. Equipped with 4 protection modes including infrared sensing, weight sensing, anti-blocking rotation, and anti-pinching function, the litter box ensures the safety of your cat. The latest rotating shovel method is used without any pinch points, guaranteeing that your cat will never get hurt. Reinforced plastic enclosure clasps firmly on the high-sided stainless steel cat litter box, won't be kicked off easily when your cats jump out. The overlap design keeping the urine in the box instead of seeping through the seam. No more worrying about cat urine spilling everywhere. A blessing for high PR. Fourth pick in this best cat litter box for odor control list is ABRCT Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Automatically clean up the excrement after the cat has finished defecating. Automatically detect when the cat has left the safety and set the delayed cleaning time by app. The excrement is separated from the clean cat litter in the litter box, just replace the litter bag when it is full. Microwave radar 360-degree defense, cats approaching automatically stop. Heat sensing inside the bucket, cat inside the bucket to stop running the machine. Infrared sensing at the bottom of the bucket, if the cat is caught, the machine stops returning and notifies you by app immediately. One key poop removal, one key litter replacement function, record toileting habit data to monitor the safety and health of cats, toileting situation litter cleaning, litter box full, abnormal notification. Unique design sieve filter, bentonite sand, mixed mineral sand, plant sand and other long and short coarse and fine cat litter can be applied. Our fifth and last choice is PetSafe ScoopFree Cat Litter Box. No scooping, cleaning or refilling your cat's litter box for weeks. 5 times better odor control than traditional clumping litter. Absorbs liquid waste and dehydrates solid waste in minutes. Crystal litter removes smell by absorbing urine and dehydrating solid waste. Includes one disposable scoop-free litter tray with crystal litter. Load tracking crystals are 99% dust-free and don't stick to your cat's paws. The health counter and motion sensors keep track of how many times your furry feline uses the box. For optimal performance, use ScoopFree Premium Crystal Litter with your automatic litter box. 5 times better odor control than traditional clumping litter. Absorbs liquid waste and dehydrates solid waste in minutes. Cleaning the high-walled stainless steel litter box for cats is very easy as waste slides off the smooth and non-stick surface effortlessly, leaving no lingering odors behind. Durable stainless steel won't get rusts and scratches where bacteria can harbor like the plastic litter box do, creating a clean and hygienic environment for your cats. This metal litter pan with lid comes with a filter pedal and a footboard designed to collect litter from your cat's paws, keeping your floors clean and saving on litter usage. The footboard on the floor make it easy for older or short-legged cats access to the litter tray effortlessly.